Hey guys, welcome to my channel Preeti, wherein today we are going to discuss one very important distinction which is frequently asked in the board exam. So let's start. So today we are going to discuss the distinction between perfectly elastic demand and perfectly inelastic demand. First point, always majority cases the first point of distinction is always meaning. So let's start with the meaning. See, perfectly elastic. Here I will give you one small hint at the start. Elastic means what? Changeable. Elastic is flexible, changeable. And inelastic, whenever the word in comes means negation comes. So inelastic means less changeable or non-changeable. This is the base of this entire answer. Now let's start with the actual answer, meaning perfectly elastic demand. That means perfectly changeable demand. It should click to your mind. It is perfectly changeable demand. So the meaning is when a slight or zero change in the price brings about an infinite change in the quantity demanded of that commodity, it is called perfectly elastic demand. See, that means what? There is very minor, very much small change in the price, but it gives too much response from the demand side. Demand is totally changeable, and that's why it's called perfectly elastic demand. Now moving to the other side, perfectly inelastic. Now here in means no, none. It's negation. When a percentage change in price has no effect on the quantity demanded of that commodity, it is called perfectly inelastic demand. That means whatever may happen with the price, price may go up, price may come down, rise, fall, whatever, but still the demand will be fixed. There won't be any change in the demand. So it is called perfectly inelastic. That means non-changeable demand. Now second point of distinction, symbolical expression or symbolical presentation. ED, elasticity of demand, equal to percentage delta Q, delta means change, percentage delta Q upon percentage delta P, change in price, which is equal to infinity because there is infinite change in demand. Moving to that side, inelastic demand, ED, elasticity of demand, equal to percentage delta Q upon percentage delta P, equal to 0 because there is no change in demand. Third point, we will draw the diagram. Since it is infinite demand, the demand curve is horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis as shown on the board. You are well familiar with the diagram. That side, it is perfectly inelastic demand. The demand curve is vertical straight line parallel to y-axis. There we have shown both the possibilities. Price has risen to P1, price has fallen to P2. In both the case, the demand remains same. Demand is as it is OQ. So that was the diagram. Last point, we are taking example. A 5% fall in price may lead to an infinite rise in demand. Actually, this is also not possible. And that side we are taking example, no change in demand. A 20% fall in price will have no effect on demand. That is non-changeable demand. So that's it for today. This was the very short and sweet yet very important distinction from your board exam point of view. I hope it helps guys. Do support me guys, and if you got it, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.